Hello friend, today we will try to learn about resistance which are mostly used in all type of circuits. So what is the resistance and how we will use it in our circuit, and we will also make the circuit using resistance for our better understanding. So let's start. Resistance opposes the flow of the current as well as reduce the voltage level. Resistance maintains a constant relationship between the voltage across it V and the current through it I. This relationship is represented by Ohm's law, means V equal I into R. Usually resistance available in two types, one with fixed value and another variable resistance, or we can say it potentiometer. This is the fixed value resistance symbol, and this is variable resistance symbol. You can see that it has a color code. We can calculate resistance value by this color code. We will be using LED in our circuit, so let's talk a little bit about LED as well. LED, it has two terminal, anode and cathode. Anode terminal we will connect with positive of the power supply and cathode terminal with negative of the power supply. Here different type of LED with different voltage rating, but we will use green color, so it has 2.2 forward voltage rating and 10 milliampere current rating, means 0.010 ampere. If we will apply direct 24 volt on this LED, then it will be damaged. So here we will calculate current limiting resistor. We will calculate the LED current limiting resistor by Ohm's law. Then after that, make the circuit with the help of every circuit simulator app. Now our circuit is completed, and now we will adjust voltage 24 volt and we will also adjust resistance value, and then after and now we will click on run button. Now you can see current passing through resistance 10 milliampere and power supply 24 volt. As you can see here, I have one LED, one resistor, some jumper wires and one breadboard, and also 24 volt DC power supply. Now we will make a circuit. This is a very simple circuit, you can see. Now I make and I apply power 24 volt DC, and now we will measure the current by this multimeter. Now you can see LED is on, and I connected this multimeter for current reading. Now LED draw 10 milliampere current, so everything perfect. Thanks for watching my video. If you think this video is informative for you, please subscribe my channel, like and share this video. See you in the next video with some new topic. Thank you.